Good morning, it's Trisha with Easy Emini Trade, and I wanted to go over a couple entries that we took yesterday on the 6E, which is the Euro future. And if you'd like more information on the setups, you can go to www.easyemintrade.com. And also a reminder, I have a webinar today at 4:30. There are still spaces available, so if you're interested, you can go to the website and get information on that as well. So here's the 6E, and depending on your broker, it might not be 6E, it might be EC. Just check with your broker to see what it is. It does trade on the CME, so it makes for nice trading for sure. And the NQ and ES have not presented a whole lot of great opportunities lately. It's just a lot of range trades and just getting what you can out of it. So up until recently, a lot of people in the room did not want to trade or were not comfortable trading this, and so was able to talk them into it with showing them the opportunities that we've been missing. And so yesterday was a perfect example. Not a whole lot going on the NQ or ES unless you were taking range trades, so we did have an opportunity to trade this yesterday morning, and we actually got in here at 9:35 general time area. This is a 300 tick chart that I'm trading off of, but a lot of people are using a 1 minute, or if you're more comfortable with range bars, you can absolutely use that. Totally up to you. I was waiting to get in above this area here. You can see it on my longer tick chart, and so that's where I got in. If you were more comfortable just getting in above the close of the R2, you could have definitely gotten in a couple ticks sooner. So totally up to you how you want to get in there. And we're closed outside the channel above the R2, ADX above 20, so we're good to go. So we take it and it works out nicely. This trade here was at 9:56 approximately, and you do get closed outside the channel here, and I'm not interested in taking it until I break below that area. Obviously, totally up to you if you want to ignore those areas, but this does usually hold up pretty well to the floor trader pivots and midpoints. So I was wanting to get in once we closed under that area, so got in under this bar here on and you could see that it worked out just fine. And that's all we did on that. That was actually all the trades that we took yesterday. As mentioned, NQ and ES was pretty quiet, unless you're taking range trades. So I hope that helps, and definitely would consider, if you're not already, checking out the Euro future. And I think that you'll be surprised with how many opportunities are presented. Also, early in the morning as well. Let me go back to that. I mean, realistically, you could start trading it at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Here's something that set up yesterday morning at a little after 5, like 5:15, 5:30 time frame, and you'd be looking to get down to the R2. Obviously, you got right through that. And then this was a trade that I took yesterday morning at 7:41, just under this area here. And so it worked out fine as well. So, it might be something to consider, especially if you're somebody who doesn't sleep. So that will give you something to do instead of watching the infomercials. But anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later.